Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about Christmas decoration ideas. Simple, beautiful and festive ways to make your home feel warm and enjoy during the holiday season. Whether you like classic decorations or modern style, there's something here for anyone. Let's start it. Remember, Christmas decoration is not about perfection. It's about creating a cozy, happy space that brings joy to you and your family. Christmas tree magic. The Christmas tree is the heart of holiday decor. You can decorate it with lights, ornaments, ribbons, or even handmade items. Choose colors like red or gold for a classic look, or silver and blue for a cool winter style. Add a star or angel on top to complete the look. Even a small tree can make your home feel festive. Warm string lights. String lights add a soft, warm glow to your home. You can place them on your windows, walls, or around your doors. Warm yellow lights create a cozy feeling, while white lights give a snowy winter vibe. Lights are one of the easiest ways to make any room feel magical. Festive wreath. A Christmas wreath on your front door instantly create a welcoming holiday look. You can choose a green pine wreath on one decorated with berries, ribbons, or bells. You can even make your own using simple crafts items. Holiday table decoration. Your dining table can also become a Christmas decoration. Add candles, pine cones, small ornaments, or a festive table runner. Red, green, and gold napkins make your table look special. Even a simple vase with holiday flowers can brighten up the room. Cozy winter corner. Create a small cozy corner on your home using Christmas pillows, blankets, and soft lights. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.